market access under a new trade agreement allowing duty-free entry to products like animal feed, certain wines and computer components. This calibrated approach aims to boost trade and economic growth while carefully protecting domestic industries. My colleague Snehi is joining us with the sectoral impact of the same.
Well, yes, so the big development that we've seen over the course of the weekend is some more clarity on the India-US trade deal, although we still don't have a lot of clarity as to which products, what amount of tariff, if there is a bracket tariff. But yeah, we're trying to understand what this trade deal is and the sectoral impact. First, let's talk about the trade front or the macroeconomics front. The interim agreement framework signals accelerated momentum in the US-India bilateral trade negotiations. Coming to sectors then, for exports, India eliminates or reduces tariffs on all US industrial goods, improving US export competitiveness. This could be slightly negative in terms of the balance of payment when it comes to India. For agriculture and food, India has reduced tariffs on a wide range of US food and agricultural products. And in fact, GTRI is of a view that this might be slightly detrimental to the Indian agri-industry, and Indian farmers are also said, according to reports, to be planning to stage a protest against this because this increases a lot of competition when it comes to agri products in India. For textiles and apparel, United States has applied reciprocal 18% tariff on Indian textile and apparel exports. Yes, of course, this is much lesser than that 50% tariff that we were seeing earlier, but still it is an 18% tariff when it comes to Indian companies who are major exporters to the US. Leather and footwear stocks, similar reciprocal 18% tariff applies to leather and footwear products as well. For organic chemicals from India, they are also subject to 18% reciprocal tariff. For pharma, here's something that could be positive because reciprocal tariffs to be removed on generic pharmaceuticals subject to the interim agreement conclusion. So we are going to be watching out for this. But remember, India is a big market for generics and this is going to be very positive for India. Gems and jewelry, reciprocal tariff to be removed on Indian gems and diamonds. So names like Goldium or Vaibhav Global are going to stand to gain from this. From the aviation front, United States removes tariffs on certain aircraft and aircraft parts of India. So very positive here too. For auto and auto anchs, India to receive preferential tariff rate quota for automotive parts. Now, this is also going to be very beneficial to someone like a Hero MotoCorp who has a partnership with Harley-Davidson because bikes below a certain amount of CC have also been completely exempt. On medical devices, India agrees to address long-standing non-tariff barriers on US medical devices. For IT, India agrees to eliminate restrictive import licensing procedures for ITC goods as well. Energy, metals, commodities, tech, data centers, all of them largely stand to gain. Digital trade, US and India commit to address the discriminatory or burdensome digital trade practices. This could pan out either way for India. And lastly, for the supply chain front, US and India strengthen economic security alignment to enhance supply chain resilience. This could be positive for the Indian economy. So yes, that's a sectoral impact coming in from whatever little increase in details that we've seen on the trade deal over the weekend.
These were the details of whatever we have between India and US interim trade deal. We'll get the more detailed contours of the deal once it starts trickling in. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Market Cafe. I'll take a leave. Thank you so much for